Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 5 of the spend $50 and eat for a week. And in today's video, we're going to have breakfast burritos for the breakfast. And then for dinner, we're having the cheapest, easiest chili mac you can make. Good morning. We're more than halfway through this week. I don't remember what day I'm on, but this morning I'm having eggs and potatoes and cheese burrito. Still got a lot of tortillas. Still have several eggs. I'm going to use 2. Might use 3 because they are small. Yeah, probably use 3 and probably just 1 potato. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. And use the rest of the salsa pico de gallo. I love me some fried taters. Got lots of potatoes and got lots of onion. Add a little onion to this. Not much. Got some coconut oil in the pan. Turn on the burner. Spice these up a little bit with some garlic powder, pepper, a little bit of salt. And then when they come out, I will put some seasoned salt on them. Okay, I have a little bit of the cube cheese from last night. Well, I still have that too. And still some pepper jack. So I think that'll be enough for breakfast. Cheese? Can you say cheese, please? Cheesy, thank you. Okay, then I'm going to finish it up with some seasoning salt. Just a little. Oop, it comes out so fast. I'm just cooking one for me right now. Deborah's going to come over in a little while, and I'll cook her an egg. But I like more potatoes than I do egg. Seen this done a few times. I just warm it on my grill. Just heat it up. There's the burrito. It's pretty, it's not too overstuffed. Love me some fried taters. Okie doke. Oh, where's my salsa? This has lasted us all week. I think I have 1 tomato left. Oh, I do have a little jalapeno left. I could make some more. Okay, tonight I'm making a easy chili mac with cheap macaroni and cheese. I'm only going to use half of this, and then I'm going to use my own chili seasonings, spices for the chili. What? Okay. I'm not going to get through this without feeding her first, so I will return. Okay, the macaroni is done. I'm going to drain it, and then I'm going to cook the meat in here and then add the macaroni back. Get this cooking. And I made a full batch of chili seasoning, but I just remembered only using half of a roll, half a pound. I'm just going to leave that liquid in there. Put half of this in. That smells good. I'll let that cook some of that liquid off. Okay, I'm going to add the macaroni back in, and I'll stir in the cheese. And that's chili mac. Oh, this isn't going to be good. That's a useful thing. So easy. So easy. Alright, there it is. Easiest chili mac in the world. Let's eat. Okay, Deborah lost her seat. Sammy took her seat, so.
She says, who?
Who?
Hi, baby. I'm going to taste this for Mama Jenna, okay? Okay.
Yeah, she says, let me taste it too.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Chili mac.
Chili mac.
Easiest chili mac in the world.
So it's nice and warm.
Yeah. I see you, baby girl.
Tastes just like chili. That's amazing.
That's homemade chili spices. You can buy the packet.
You could enter this in Terlingua.
No, I don't think so.
I wonder if they've ever had something like this in Terlingua.
Chili mac instead of chili.
That might be against the rules. I don't know, but you'd win.
Yeah. Box macaroni and cheese. Sammy, what do you think of it? You're over it?
Watch this.
You bored?
What you doing? Come here often? You sure are pretty. You fixing to get me, aren't you?
Alright, I'm going to try it. I know it's good because I cooked this, what, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, whenever it was.
He's not getting it.
I actually like it better with less meat. I know you wouldn't, but yeah, I like it better with less meat and more mac. More mac and cheese.
He says, where'd all the mac and cheese go, man?
He said, I missed out somehow. Did you miss out?
He said, well, I guess so.
All right. On to the next meal.